In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF in Adobe Scan. This is an essential skill if you frequently work with documents and need to manage your storage space effectively or share files more conveniently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Adobe Scan app on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, locate and tap on All Scans. This will give you access to all the documents you've scanned. Find the PDF you wish to compress and open it. This step is crucial because you can't compress your PDF without first having it open in Adobe Scan. The next step is to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. To do this, look for the three dots, often located towards the corner of your screen, or find the share icon. Tap on it and you'll be presented with several options. Choose Open in Acrobat or Send a Copy and then Acrobat Reader. If you haven't installed Adobe Acrobat on your device yet, you might be prompted to download it. In that case, just tap Install and you'll be guided through the process. Moving on, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. At the top right corner of your screen, there's usually a menu button represented by three dots. Tap on this to expand more options. Among these options, you'll find Reduce File Size, or Compress PDF. Tap it, and you'll be taken to the compression settings. Now, you'll choose a compression level that best suits your needs. If you're aiming for the smallest possible file size, select High Best Compression. This is particularly useful if you plan to email the file or store it where space is limited. If the file quality is more important to you and file size is not as much of a concern, you can opt for Low Best Quality. This will result in a larger file size, but with better visual quality. For balance, you can choose Medium, which provides a compromise between size and quality. Once you've chosen your desired level of compression, go ahead and tap Compress. The app will work its magic, and soon your PDF will be reduced in size according to the specifications you selected. This process might take a moment, so be patient as the compression completes. And there you have it. Compressing a PDF using Adobe Scan and Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process that can save you a significant amount of storage and make file sharing a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.